Now we are discussing about chemical business ideas. In that today we are discussing about air freshener production. Air freshener is quite a common product these days. People use this product at home, in offices and also in cars. Also the product has massive applications in large public areas like hotel lobbies, auto dealerships, medical facilities and cinema halls. So air freshener is also most important. Every type of air freshener will have its own chemical combination, and all these things you should study clearly. Then only you can start this business. Suppose if you are having one thought of air freshener, this type of rose or jasmine or lavender type of products, if you want to freshener, if you want to make, means first you should have a project report of that, and you should study previously in Google. Google also, if you see air freshener lavender, air freshener rose, air freshener jasmine type of production, it means they will give the basic fundamentals. And as well as you should study in YouTube also. Nowadays YouTube is very famous, you know that. You can study, utilize the YouTube for your particular information with productive way, in a productive way. So it will, if you get air freshener production, regarding rose freshener, likewise jasmine freshener, likewise lavender freshener. Likewise, if you put it, they will give around 10 to around 20 videos will come in YouTube also. You can study all these means, you will get a theoretical idea. Then if you have, if you contact your neighboring chemical units, if you having at least a couple of months of best idea is there, then you can start independently. Before starting independently also, you should have a project report first. Where to start, when to start, that water is available for that, how much of manpower is required, how much of machinery is required, and what are the skilled people, how many skilled people you should take, and transportation is available to you in that particular location or not. All these things you should study properly, and to start in one by one. Once a project is studied with in MS Office, project is there, you have to start this. First step is this, and second is this, and third is this. Likewise, if you start it, you can start this chemical unit for air freshener production also. You can start independently without thinking and risk. Otherwise, it will become a big problem. So, start it with a complete idea, with complete project report. Then you will be successful in this, and it is fruitful to you and to the team and to the company also. Wishing you all the best.